this video I'm going to discuss with you how to deploy Django application from Docker image to EC2 instance. So in previous video we had pushed our images to ECR, and in this part we're going to pull and start the application on the EC2 instances using GitHub Actions. First of all, we're going to prepare our docekr-compose file for the deployment. Let's take our initial one that we used just to test application, and we need to create from this one just slightly modified. Let's create just a copy of it, and let's call it deploy. The difference will be that we are not going to use build here, but instead we are going to use the exact image. So let's remove this part and use image, and let me disable applications. Yeah, so the image will be just from any variables. Let's call it like that. All right. I believe is that the only difference. So let's keep it like that, and let's go to our deployment. What we need to do here, it's so the last step we had, it's build and publish. So next one we should call pull and run. Let's call it like that. So what we need here, we need command run. First of all, we need to copy that docekr-compose file to the server. But to access the server, we need the key actually that we use to connect, and we need to create file from this key. So we need to write echo, and let's use secrets to store this key. So it will be secrets, and let's call it SSH key. Then we need to add that key to actual repository. So let's just copy the key, the name. Let's go to our repository, to settings, and here will be secrets, actions, and let's just add another repository secret. Here we go, and let's just copy this complete file there and paste here. All right. So it's here. Next step, we need to just finalize this one. We just need to write this secret into a new file. Let's call it dev key. And to use this file as connection to the server, we need of course to change permission. And what else? Let's just copy, write copy command, and we need to write the actual key. Then we need another option, strict post key checking null strict. All right, and then we just need the address of the server, name, username that we're gonna use for the connection. We can for example, if we use for different environments the same type of the server, we can just hard code it here, or you can just move to secrets. It's up to you. This one is default for Amazon, all Amazon instances. Like in EC2 you can create like Ubuntu, or for Ubuntu there are default user is Ubuntu, but it's kind of for the Amazon their images. So, and but for the IP address, let's use secrets, and let's call it instance IP address. And let's add this secret here, and let's go to check our instance. So this address is saved. All right, saved. Then all right, this command should copy. Well, we didn't mention what we need to copy. So we need to copy the compose file. It should be here. Docker compose. How we call it? Deploy. Better to just copy to not make any mistake here. All right, and let's just copy to like the path of the default path for the user. So all right, let's check. Let's just push it, whatever we have. Right, let's go to actions and let's just check if it runs successfully. Previous step to build and publish to ECR. Okay, seems there's no errors, but we need just to double check it. Let's copy the server and let's try to connect. But we have the key, it's EC2. Here we have our file, so it works. The first one is done. Then we need actually to do pooling, like authorization to ECR and pooling it from there. Do we have here the SLI of? Yeah, we have. So then we need to connect actually and write command to on the server side. So we have kind of pattern here, so we can connect. Let's just change. I'll just for simplicity duplicated the line, but change it for SSH, and we remove this part. We remove this part, and instead of that, we gonna kind of open connection, and we need to write an SSH, and it's kind of between this part and this part. Result and the code between those will be running on the server. So let's just check something simple. ls, so it will be show what's inside the repository, like not the repository but the folder where we initially connect. Let's just push and check what we will have in logs. Push. If we open, we need build, we need next step. Okay, it's here. As you can see, it's like internal command ls, so we can see which files are on server. So we just listing all files are containing that server contains that folder. Same if I write here, so we just one file. Alright, it works. So the next step, we need to authorize to our AWS. So we need to do some basic configuration. Let's leave this command here just to understand that we are inside the server, and let's just write command to configure AWS. So first of all, we need the access key. I mean ID. So, and this key we need to write from, so we need to get from somewhere. We will host into the secret as well. Let's do secret here. Hopefully it will work from the first time. I just didn't try in that way, but let's just try. So access key, let's call it AWS access key ID, and we need secret key secret access key. I believe the key should be secret access key. And we need to set region. And here is the same. We can use secret to store that, but I would just copy it here because we can hard code it. It's nothing that we can hide, like we need to hide. Just a region. And also we need the set parameter output. Let's edit text. Alright, that should be fine. Let's add our keys to the secrets. Let's go to secrets. So just create a new one. This is the ID. We have some here. Post. Then another one we have secret. Oh, we already have it. We have it from the previous step. Alright, let's just use it. Key ID is already there, and the secret we just have a different name. Alright, nice, perfect. Then we need the same as we did previously. We need to I think it was when we were manually pushing the repository, the image to the ECR, we had a different way because we had to log in, but here we use built-in things. So we need to write kind of login for the Docker, so it will be next. Just follow my commands. So it will be AWS ECR get login password, and we need to add region. Region should be quarters. And then this command we should pass, like the output of this we should pass to Docker. Login, username, AWS, and password. And here we should pass the path to ECR. We have it from login. We can use the same. Let's try. Let's put it to the end. Let's put it the same way to the end. Let's just use it. We have a repository here, but I'm not sure if here we have, if we need repository. Let's try this, just read registry. We'll see. Alright. So just pass it here. Alright. I have doubts, but let's try. Let's just write command that will do the next step, or we'll just Docker, and we will need to have same but with repository. Alright. So it will be so it will be the same but with here's like repository, previous repository. Just hard code for now. Okay, which is here. Alright. And what tag we used here? Let's just double check. We used latest as far as I remember. Yes, we have latest, so we need to write the URI, but with its end. And let's just add all right. Let's just check it how it works. If maybe we make some mistakes, but so many steps added, so there might be some. Let's see. Well, it works. So as we can see, we logged in and we pulled the image. Nice, perfect. So, and the final step, what we need to do, it's to do just up the application, like the start docekr-compose. Let's go to our code, and here we need just another command, docekr-compose. Need to write the file here because it's not default, and just write the file and up and detach. So it will be going up, and detach means that we don't need to kind of bound our terminal or terminal of GitHub Actions to that docekr-compose file. All right. Another thing I forgot to add, we need also environment, since we use inside docekr-compose deploy, we use that one, the image. Let me check. Right. So we need to pass somehow that environment, the image pass to the docekr-compose. We can hard code it here, but better to have it like in one source of truth. So what we can do, we can just create a file, or we can just copy, create on the GitHub Actions and just copy it there. So let's go to deployment. So let's do just before copy. We just do F1, same as here. Just copy, and what we will pass there, what we actually need. We need this tag with everything, so we need this one, but let's call it .n. We need this one and including let, but not secret. It's not secrets. It's env. So, and latest, and let's copy this file as well, the same path. And we also can do cut just to see what's inside this file. Alright, then what we need to do is just before we going to do up, we just need to write source and .env. So it will just take this file and apply as n variables to current terminal session. Let's go. Where is it? Let's check. And we can wait a second. We can just connect and check what's there. And while we're doing that, let's go and just open the port, because I believe it should be closed. We need to go to the, or just replace, we can just replace the port we are running. So let's go to deploy and just use 80. Let's see what's here. Okay, we have that file, and yeah, we need, I just did mistake, we need to add, I just put in the key, but I need this format. We need to write something, it's not just write this key and the value to the end file. Alright, and then let's push it with update for the port. Hopefully usually happens. Try and change and try. So you don't do that every day, so you just need to set up once and it will work as, you know, you will just push and it will update every time. Alright, success, let's try. Yeah, it works, but we need to add host to allow it. Let's just do slight update here. Let's just go to our settings and just add allowed hosts. Let's wait. Finally, success. So everything is deployed, and we can, on the server, we can just see that this one is running. Internal port is 8050 and external 80. We can see logs, docker logs, and that's it. Right, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.